Greetings. In this short video, we'd like to show you a preview of our Voxeo Management Console that will be available in Prophecy 9. When you first enter the Management Console, you will see a dashboard screen that shows you the activity across all of the servers that you may be managing globally. You'll see first there are two dials that show you the number of calls currently up and also the number of call setups per minute, along with this graph that shows you the trend over time. As you can see here, there was a dramatic drop in call volume, which shows up very nicely in this graph. You also have the capability to switch to statistics for a specific application. So here you'll see I'll switch to the tech support line and can see the statistics for that application. I can also look at this information on a per location basis, what we call site. And so you see here Atlanta. Now I'm going to switch to Beijing. Now I will switch to London. All of this is configurable so that you can create your own site names and specify which servers are part of those sites. Now I'll switch back to the entire community and see the overall view. Now I'm going to jump to another new feature we have called our wall. What it's doing is loading in the data about all of the servers that I'm managing and displaying it in this three-dimensional wall. As you can see, I can zoom in and out. I'm just doing this with the mouse button to move back and forth. I'm going to click on one of the red displays and zoom in to see that Prophecy 109 in Orlando is not doing too well. I'll click on it again to zoom out, and next I'll click on another red display and see that Prophecy 108 in Beijing is having some issues. I'll click the image again and I can zoom back out. Down at the bottom I have this slider which allows me to move from side to side and see all the servers. Zoom in, zoom out, click on any of the images to go and see that particular one in close-up. So this is our wall. We're quite pleased with how this came out. We think you all will find this to be a very useful tool to monitor your servers. We also do provide a view of the current active sessions and the applications that are there. Actually, returning to the main view, I'll mention we do have a number of other lists as well. Here's a list of our applications, list of servers. Each of these can be sorted on a column basis. We also have a groups feature where you can group servers together to again be able to get statistics across all of those different servers. Next, I'd like to show you something called virtual platforms, which allows you to group resources that you may have into various different categories. And you can see here, I've got, in this tree view that I'm showing you, I've got a couple of different virtual platforms, one for Prophecy 9 with Nuance, one for Dunder Mifflin Mainline. And I can see what ASR and TTS resources I have underneath there. So for instance, looking at the Dunder Mifflin Mainline one, you can see I have some ASR resources. And under the French one, I have both a Prophecy ASR and a Loquendo ASR. Now part of what I can do with this is I can prioritize resources. So here I'm showing that under the French, I will try first the Loquendo ASR. And if I can't get a license there, I'll then go for the Prophecy ASR. So a way to go and prioritize and manage resources that we have. With that, I'll wrap this demonstration of the Prophecy 9 Management Console, and I encourage you to go to www.voxeo.com/prophecy to try out Prophecy 9 today.